Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I've got a new, well, I guess you'd call it old because it's a long delayed release, but 2022-23 Upper Deck OPC Platinum Hockey. So yeah, so I picked up a box from my former LCS, and he shipped it down to me. So we're gonna just dive right into it. Again, you've probably seen tons of breaks already on this product, uh, so I don't need to talk a lot about it. I mean, the format did change. I want to say it was a year ago, and when it did change, there was a lot of quality control issues. But it looks like this year they've kind of improved the quality of the product. I haven't really seen anybody show the actual bottom of the cards to indicate whether or not it's printed in the US or if it's printed in Italy or something like that. I mean, I'd like to see them kind of use Italy for this, because I know for Topps, when they did some of the, was it Formula One and stuff like that, they used them, a printer in, I think it was in Italy or France, and the cards were just super flat. So again, similar to the base that you saw from 2022-23, it's just a chrome version. I'll try not to get my face in it. So you start off with a bunch of base, and then you have your marquee rookies. So we got a Philip Kral for Toronto, Mark McLaughlin for Boston, and a Marcus Bjork for Columbus as our marquee rookies. We have a photo driven of Flower, Marc-Andre Fleury. Then we have a retro rookie of Marco Rossi, and then our first our first parallel, looks like it's the sunset, and it is Drake Batherson for Ottawa. And these are not numbered. There are at least 3 different parallels that aren't numbered. There's the rainbow that's not numbered. There's the matte pinks, the sunsets. So we'll sleeve up even though it's not a rainbow rookie, retro rookie, we'll sleeve it up and move along. Looks like we got I can't tell what that is. I guess it's just another sunset, looks like. It's a little different though, so maybe it's a rookie sunset. Artemi Panarin, Clayton Keller, Quinn Hughes, with a lot of chippage going on that base card. Got a Trey Fix-Wolansky marquee rookie, Braden Schneider marquee rookie, Atu Ratti marquee rookie. We have a sweet selection of Braden Tracy. And we have a retro of Jeremy Swayman. Yeah, we'll put that with that. And then, yeah, Travis Konechny. Yeah, I guess it does. The image looks the same. And then 3 more base. And there are some roll marks that they wipe off, but I'm sure you could buff them a little bit to get rid of that. It's not like it's deep into the coating. And I'm glad to see that they really kept on the retros, they kept it pretty much like it was in the base. I'm trying to remember if last year even had the retros. It looks like we got a matte pink here. Pasternak, Gino, Tarasenko, then our rookies, Nikita Alexandrov, Jake Sanderson for Ottawa, Jordan Harris for Montreal, and our first galvanized is going to be Sebastian Aho. And then a Trevor Zegras retro, and a Matthias Maselli matte pink marquee rookie. And that'll be interesting to see too, because I've noticed on the Violet Pixels that if it's a base card Violet Pixel, it looks violet, but if it's a rookie Violet Pixel, then unfortunately it looks more pink than it does purple. But if we get one, we'll show it and kind of do a comparison. And something weird going on here. Maybe it's just a reflection from the back. Spencer, Matt Duchene, Igor Shesterkin, Cole Kopke, Chase Pearson, Brandon Bird. Got a photo driven of Igor. Got a Lucas Reichel, marquee, well, not marquee, but retro rookie. And then we have a matte pink of Mike Smith. And then Jared McCann, William Nylander, and Charlie Coyle. So that's the first stack down. Don't really have anything crazy to speak of yet. And we'll go ahead and we'll sleeve up that and get on to the middle stack. And it seems, I will say that they do look like they've made it really random compared to previous years. I don't think you can map out the box like you could in years past. So we got our first rainbow. Grubauer, Makar, Marchand, Nick Abarizi for Montreal, or for Toronto. What is it? Jacob Galvis. And then a Jacob Moravari. And we got a Mad Sogard with a sweet selection. Oh, we got an Arctic Freeze too, looks like. So that is super, super clean on the rainbows. That really has a great rainbow effect. Kind of reminiscent of years past. And then we have an Arctic Freeze of Lucas Johansson, right? Yep, 78 of 99. So there's our first numbered, and that's nice, strong rainbow effect. Next pack. Tavares, Matthews, Jack Hughes. Looks like I have another rainbow along with our Hot Magma. Mitchell Chaffee, Caden Korzak, and a photo driven of Zegras. Oh, we got one of the OPC premieres. Those are like an Easter egg. And sadly, it's not Slavkovsky, but it's Dylan Holloway for Edmonton. But those are, I want to say, a tough pull. Then we have a Brock Nelson on the rainbow. And then we end off with a Shane Wright Hawk Magma marquee rookie. And that is 464 of 499. And then we have Kevin Fiala, Timo Meyer, and Connor Brown. And that's the halfway point. So now we're starting the second half of the box. Got something significant here. Oh, we got a blue line. That could be our auto. J.G. Pajot, Alec Newhook, Oscar Olofsson, Noah Cates, Braden Tracy, a Jeremy Swayman galvanized, a rainbow of Alex DeBrincat, and it is an autograph, so we're going to go to the back, and we got Eichel, Sean Couturier, and Aaron Ekblad. So our blue line auto, I'm assuming it's blue line, it's a goalie. Jacob Markstrom for Calgary. And it's a sticker auto, not on card. And I'm looking to see if it says anything. It does not say blue line or anything. So I don't know. I guess base auto, but it can't be. Doesn't look like they marked out what the parallel is on that. And that means I might have a dual auto box because that is not a rookie, that is a vet. It's just auto, not a rookie auto. And I watched somebody do a break either yesterday or the day before, and that happened to them. They had two autos in it because one was a regular base and then one was a rookie auto. So Lucas Johansson, Hayden Hodgson, and yeah. Vladislav Kolochonok, marquee rookie. Have a photo driven of Owen Powers. A regular retro rookie of Wi-Fi, and then and we have a isn't that bizarre, huh? Two inserts of the same player. But we have a sunset marquee rookie of Wi-Fi, along with our retro rookie of Wi-Fi. And now we're into the final stack. Got a Kalen Gould for Montreal. Nick DeSimone, Frederick Carlson. Oh, we got a retro rainbow of Matthew Barzal. And behind that, a sweet selection of Jacob Perreault. And then another retro. This one is of Brad Marchand. Oh, somehow I left that other pile there. Lucas Hellebuck, no, and the Sorelli, Marino, Mana. So we'll sleeve up both of our retros, both our regular and our rainbow, and get on to the final 3 packs, which I'm anticipating potentially a second auto forthcoming. Because I used to do that a couple years ago. If you had like a holdover autograph, you got a bonus auto because you still get a marquee rookie auto. Jean-Luc Foudy. Sorry, I'm just moving my pile forward a little bit. Foudy, Dylan Wells, Andrei Kuzmenko. This one looks different here. Those are all marquee rookies. Got an Aaron Ekblad, photo driven. Ooh, this looks like a different one. Is this like a new aquamarine or something? Nikita Alexandrov, marquee rookie, rainbow. Oh, and there's no... What is that? It's Spencer Knight, Brock Besser, Elvis. It does look like aquamarine. It is aquamarine. 62 of 149. That is... I like the background. The inset does not quite match what the background is as far as the quality of the image. The center looks just more like just water. Okay, 2 packs left. Come on. Let's get a Slavkovsky auto. Anton Lundell, Vasilevsky, Byfield. Got a Zach Hayes marquee rookie. Pavel Regenda. Peter Kochetkov. Got a galvanized Kale McCarr. Got a Jake Sanderson. Rainbow rookie. And then behind that we have an Erik Karlsson Hot Magma. And I have yet to see, oh, I should show the back, sorry. 50 of 499. But I haven't seen the new one, the liquid metal. Jarvis, Velarde, and Phil Kessel. So do I get one in this pack? Last pack, last chance for. This looks like another Magma. Laffy, Pavelski, Hoffman. Got a Jordan Spence. Nikita. Oh, yeah, I can't say that. Nathan Smith. Got a photo driven of Ovi, Alex Ovechkin. Alexander Barkov on the rainbow. Peyton Krebs. Nope, no second auto. I did not get lucky. I just got a vet auto. And that's what I'm stuck with. And the Krebs. 304 of 499. So again, with the new format, you do get a lot of rookies. There's the whole stack of marquee rookies. And then we'll do a quick recap. Give me a second. Okay, so here we go. Quick recap. We got the Mike Smith, Matt Pink, and the marquee rookie of Matthias Maselli, Matt Pink. The Travis Konechny, Jake Bratherson, and then a Wi-Fi Sunset. For the Rainbows, Nuge, Barkov, Nelson, Jake Sanderson. I actually got wound up with two, so I got a Jake Sanderson and a Nikita Alexandrov. Got one Rainbow Retro, and that was Matt Barzal, so it was a vet. The Hot Magmas, got three of those. Got Peyton Krebs, Erik Karlsson, and marquee rookie of Shane Wright. So it looks like one of each of those was a rookie. Then I have a Spencer Knight Aquamarine, and that's 62 of 149. Got the Arctic Freeze of Lucas Johansson, and that is numbered 78 of 99. Then I got one of the OPC Premier Platinum Rookie inserts. And again, I want to say those are tough. Pull, it's like I want to say they're one a case maybe, or one every two cases, but I haven't seen a case break yet, so I can't say 100%, but they are short prints. But it's of Dylan Holloway for Edmonton. And then my autograph was not a rookie. It was Jacob Markstrom, goalie for Calgary. So it was a vet autograph. So anyway, that concludes this box break of 22-23 OPC Platinum Hockey. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment on what your favorite card was out of the break, and stay tuned for the next one, because I might be getting a couple more boxes. But yeah, have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.